Kia ora. Tahanga Raumati. I'm part of the maintenance crew. And welcome to Kaimahi Koorero. Kia ora. So where's our tiny one there? The big one. Yeah. Because the last time we come, we stuck the big tent on that side, going down. And then we put him, because it was too heavy then, we put him over here, sort of in a 6x6. That'll be a 612 then. Yeah. And we hit the 1020 over here.
Oh, you got it done?
Hey, there's your pogo, but we've done it before. But I just wanted to see if it was the same idea. This is going to, nothing in there, nothing in there. 1020 out here. Right? Nah, it's pretty cool. Well, see, sometimes, hey, look at that. We thought we had it, but we had to change it. And they're going to get a bigger one. Get the point. We don't have to do that. We're going to put up this 1020, and this is another kite tent. And then we're going to put a 6.9 somewhere over here. It might be awfy for prepping kite. And then our chairs will sit in here, and that'll be it, really, I think. We should be right after that. It's usually about 3 or 4 tents, usually. And they always have for the manuhiri. And you have a big kite tent. Really, that's to help for overflow and stuff like that. You know, they got lovely whare kites, but just need a bit more for the people. And the boys they're on. You just watch this tent go up. It'll go up pretty quick. Everyone knows their job. Sometimes the hokanga always want to come and help, but we say call because it mucks up our flow. Once we get on a bit of a roll, the boys just automatically go to what's got to be done. You know, the jobs that are missing. You know, they'll go straight in there, put it up next bit, go to the next bit. Especially if they want to put us on the TV. Someone's got to shout the beers. Hurry up, lads, hurry up. I'm mucking around. Someone on that. Steve, you got me on there? Come on, brother. Come on, brothers. Our main gig is, say, pokeis. And our calendar is governed by the pokai. And then things just come in. We have tangiana, we have birthdays, we have openings and all that. And because we look after the tents, we go and do a majority of a lot of that, a lot of the huis. And then after that, you still got to know a bit of how to fix a door, or fix a window, mow lawns, put up scaffolding, dig a grave, bury a person. Might be soon they want us to might be Koorero. Well, we got Kenny for that. Kenny can Koorero for us. But painting is big, and then we get the job done. Leg, bottom. Yep, whānau. Hurry up, Kenny. Hop dodge in the mahi. That's where the young bloods come in handy, you know. They can do all the pulling. Can't do much else, you know what I think? Yeah. But they come in handy. They're taller than us, all us old buggers. Don't need a ladder for them. It's really cool to be having the young boys. I've sort of given our team a bit of a new lease of life. Some of it's like Kenny in the 30s. Tomorrow I think he's 24. You know, they've had a bit of life experiences, so they come with us with a bit of knowledge. You know, not just straight out of high school. You know, with nothing. And with our team, we need fellas to know quite a lot of bits of stuff, but it doesn't have to be the best of it. You know, be the man of it, but know how it should be done and safe. Hey, and safe. I'm too short. Hold on, my bro. Good for you for Matatini, bro. While we do our job, you know, we're all kingitanga people ourselves, you know, so that's just our little hononga that we can do for the pokai, you know. We treat it as very important, you know, because it's got to carry on. Pokai will carry on. Next fellas will come in and take over our jobs. But as long as we're doing it right and good for the marae that hosts the pokai, we're winning, you know. I think all of us are winning, I think. You know, and as long as she's happy, we're all happy, we're winning. We sort of, the job asks us a lot of you, but we can do it. We're all a bit daunting about Matatini coming over. But I said to the boys, as long as our lawns are looking sharp and we just need to awhi the people that come and put up the stages, we'll be right. You know? They don't know our place, that's our house. Cowboy. Oh.
Watch this.
Especially when I was on the camera, they're going to do the karakia. We got so koorero. Yeah. Two of those.
What kid?